You got some socks and shoes on.
Okay.
All right, you want to check out the apartment?
What happened? Today,
Do not be on your phone, kids.
Yep.
Don't be on your phone.
Today, Brandon hit a yellow pole in a parking lot. And this is why being distracted is not a good idea.
No, it's not.
He's at 5 miles an hour.
5 miles an hour, kids. This is what 5 miles an hour gets you. Be smart.
Yeah, honestly, he got lucky. The only thing that's really messed up suspension-wise is that tie rod end there, and it's bent. But other than that, it's just like the whole front fender and front whatever the heck this is called, radiator support. But what I'm thinking is we can probably get a radiator support and
pull it out.
We're gonna pull this out as best we can. So you can see how bent that tie rod is. All right, so that wasn't too hard at all. Got that thing off. Steering rack looks fine. Everything else looks fine. But that tie rod inner was pretty bent. The outer you can hardly tell, but it's like angled down. It should be angled up a little bit. We actually grabbed the wrong side. So we're gonna go return this, grab the right side. These look beefier than these anyway, so that'll be a good upgrade or whatever. So you would think, but yeah, everything's all good. That should be a fairly easy fix, and then we'll worry about this. So I figure we're gonna probably start from pulling from this point right here, this body mount, and we'll see. But yeah, this is Brandon's new crib. Check it out, y'all. Little house tour. Brandon's in here chefing it up for lunch. Cheese, look at that cheese, boy. What we got in there? Don't tell me
turkey.
That's some fake.
Paprika.
Is it turkey or
Ginger,
is it fake
fennel.
turkey?
That's real turkey, baby.
Woo, real turkey, all right. Oh yeah, we're gonna grub the things back together. All right, we're back. We got a new tension rod or tie rod end. So I got some Loctite. I'm about to throw this thing back together. Here we go. All right, tie rod is replaced. I need to tighten it still. I just remembered before I put everything down. Might have to adjust a little bit more, but not bad. All right, so we just got this headlight out. This is what we're looking at. So we're gonna probably go right here first and see how we can pull it. Not sure. All right, I left my gimbal, so we're gonna try and get some footage like this. got to the point where he can turn all the way now. We're gonna go somewhere that's not so close to the main street, and so we don't get hit, because we gotta do a couple pulls that are like that way. So here we go. This is what we're looking at. We're gonna go right here next. We got the body mount looking a little better. Wait. Go for it. It should slide this way towards me. So that's what we're looking at. Jeez. We got this thing pretty darn, not straight, but straighter. Take back in, air filter back in at least. It turns all the way, it drives straight, and honestly it was way worse. So, all right, we just picked up a camper shell for the hard body. It is $3.99. The transmission is about to blow on this mother flubber, and we're just gonna keep on limping until it goes. We gotta go get stuff for Brandon's truck in the junkyard, so that's where we're going right now. Yeah, stay tuned. Back at it again. We're out here on day 2. I'm a little late today. Brandon's got to work in an hour, so we're gonna try and get this thing pulled pretty good, like with the time that we have. For some reason the wheel was locked up, the brake caliper was completely locked up, wouldn't really compress at all. Had to open it up and let pressure out to actually get it back on the rotor, so we got to figure that out. But in the meantime, I'm about to do some pulls. Looking like right there. Got some hooks from Home Depot and Harbor Freight today. We're gonna pull that one this way. So
we didn't need that, huh? Fuck that piece.
yeah. Now we can get the chain through there and pull this straight like that, you know? Yeah, back up. That's the idea. All right. Ready?
Huh?
It's not the middle of summer.
Yeah,
I know,
fuck
for real.
that.
Get on the fucking asphalt.
Yeah, it could be worse, that's for sure.
Nice.
Beautiful day to fix it.
Right?
It couldn't be better.
Yeah, for real.
Northern breeze.
So here's where we're looking. That looks a lot better than it was. We're not done yet. Brandon's got to go to work in 10 minutes. He's got to start getting ready. But those bolts dang near line up. We got the front end somewhat straight. So yeah, what's crazy is this thing's straight as it needs to be, really. So that's good. That means the body mount should be able to go back in, or we'll figure out how to get that back in. It may need to come back a little more. I don't know, but either way, we're making progress. Hopefully the brake doesn't lock up on the way home. There you go. Keep going. All right. Yep. Shoot, that's good. Bruh.
Hell yeah.
No way. That's the cleanest part of your truck now. That's dead ass talk. That's crazy. Dang. Just wait till you see this Fender on here. Just a little bit more it needs. There you go. Come back a little bit. Yeah, right. Come back to the middle. Yeah, right there. That should be good. That's good. That's good. Now you're concaving it. Looks good. I mean, all that doesn't matter right now.
No, it doesn't.
Look at that. So we got it lining up. We got a headlight pretty much lined up here. Can't see nothing. There you go. Hold it for me. So look at that. One more time. Now look at that. There's no bolts in it, but damn. But darn, because we're YouTube friendly. Look at this thing. So I think we're done for the day. And I'll be back next week. We could probably do a little bit more, see what we can do. But he at least has a functional car. He can drive to work again. The door opens and closes. The hood closes and opens. So that's crazy. I'm proud of myself.
Proud of you too, dog.
Not bad at all. What? Yeah, go ahead.